So look, I thought I'd make a video about this guy's question here. He says, man, I understand the process, but what I don't understand is where you get the money from. Is it YouTube? So let me answer that question, because there's multiple streams of income you can get from placing videos on your social media. So let's have a look at my video here where he's made the comment. Now, because I've got over 1,000 followers, in fact, I've got 12,200, that means that YouTube allow me to place advertisement on my videos. So
Description, because
there you go. And if somebody was to click this or watch this video through, there's a chance that I'll earn a commission. So YouTube alone can bring me in hundreds of dollars per month. But let me show you another way. Now, this video that this guy commented underneath was about me showing you how to make money using AI. And I featured this piece of software here, which is this one here. Now, this software that makes videos, and I'm going to show you some more videos on it. There's a link below the video, which is just here. Now, that's an affiliate link. So the second way that I could earn money, or you could earn money, is by promoting the software that I told you to actually join. Now, most people have joined this software for free, which is perfectly okay. But if they see the value in it and they start to pay a subscription like I do, I've got a paid subscription, then I'll earn a commission from it. That's the second way that you can earn money, by placing videos. Now, you're more than welcome to download my videos and put them on your own channel. So let me first show you how to do that. If you come up to the top and you get this URL, we copy that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pop that into this piece of software here that's free to download. And if I look here, if I click on subscription, you can see I don't have a paid plan. This software is completely free. Now, what I'll do is I'll leave the link for this as well below this video. Now, what you do is you just paste the link inside there. It's going to go over to YouTube and retrieve the video. You can then upload that same video, any of my videos, onto your own YouTube channel. So you can see there it's loading. So what you could do is you could take my video, which is the one this guy's got the comment underneath, download it to your own PC, upload it to your YouTube channel, and then what you can do is just put your link underneath here. You can create a link, go and do an affiliate program with this piece of software, and then you can put my video, you could put a link underneath it, and you could be earning money from people watching your video. But the important thing that you've got to try to do is to build up your following. You want to get to at least 1,000 followers. Now, if you want to know how to get that, you can come and join my Telegram group. Now, all you need to do is to send me a PM either on YouTube, Facebook, or wherever you can find me, and I'll give you the link so that you can come and join the Telegram group. And I'm going to show you inside the Telegram group, if you're interested, on how to build your followings to 1,000 within a couple of days. But I'm going to show you more ways to make money. Now, this way is brilliant because you can earn from inviting other affiliates, so people like me and you that want to promote products and maybe want to build a team. I can earn £43, not dollars, £43 from just inviting one person to join the affiliate program. So below this video, you'll find a link. It's going to look something like this. Here's the link here. You're going to see this in the pinned comment here. Join that, and then this will give you the ability to invite other people to join it, but it'll also give you the ability to promote products that this company sell. They handle all the sales, they handle all the delivery, the returns, the refunds and all that. It's a bit like Amazon, but let me choose a product and show you how to promote that. But you want to join this affiliate program, so make sure you look for this link down below this video and you join, because this is a great way for you to earn money off of making videos using this software, or downloading my social media videos and putting them on your social media accounts. So let me show you how to use this affiliate program to find products to sell and make a video to sell that product for you. So let's come over to the hot items over this side. First off, I can search for an item on here. So if I just put in here UK flag, for example, and then search, it's going to show me all the stuff for UK flags. You can choose any product you like. Now, let's just say I wanted to promote something that I've got. Let's say this t-shirt, okay? So I'm going to click on this t-shirt. This is an American t-shirt. It's got lovely, lots of images. I take this piece of text and I bring that over to my chat GPT and I put in here, write a video script from the following text. And I just pasted the text that I got from here into my chat AI here and I let it do its thing. So it created me this text. So all I did was highlight all of these scenes, copy that, put them into here to make this video. So let me show you this video.
Looking to rep your pride in style? Check out the USA flag men's t-shirt, made from high-quality breathable polyester, built for comfort and attitude, designed with a classic crew neck, vibrant colors that last. You bet. Grab yours today and wear your pride loud and proud. Check the link below.
So as you could see, I could just, without editing that video, I could just put that onto my social media, put a link there to the t-shirt, because obviously I've got a link for it, and I can click there, share, and I can get the deep link, and that will take them straight to this t-shirt. And everybody that buys a t-shirt, if they use my link, I can earn £1.11. And I could just keep making videos, pumping these videos out, putting them on my social media, put some good content as well. But every now and again, I can start to advertise products. So if you want to get more tips like this, I've got 1,001 ways for you to make money from your YouTube videos, your TikTok videos, your Facebook account, your Instagram, your Pinterest, whatever social media platform you're using, then I'm going to show you how to make money with it. And if you want to find out how you can get to 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers within literally a few days, then reach out to me so I can add you to my Telegram group. Now, if you like this type of content and you're watching me on YouTube, make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. And please give me the thumbs up and leave me a comment below to let me know what video you would like. And if you're on TikTok, make sure you follow and bash that heart. You have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.